draining most of this water out of the system. It should run a hose and put some water in here, run the engine, flush it a little bit. But seeing how I just ran for the other day 30 minutes, and then yesterday I drove to work about 15 minutes, and then back home 10 minutes to work. I don't need to really do a flush on her. All that water in there broke up whatever material could have been on the inside of the engine block anyway, and flush it around. Like I said, I ain't putting no additive or no cleaning agent in here. I'm just draining out most of this water. Drain out most of this water, and I'm gonna put these 2 bottles I got in here. Might end up putting a little bit extra water back in here. Ain't that something? We'll see. I'll just put enough in here, then tomorrow or later on today I'll go buy 1 more bottle and put it in here. I just turned the engine over. I didn't let it run, I just turned it over to force whatever was inside the engine block to circulate through the system too.